You're almost at it. You're like right on it. That's good. All right, you're back in. Look, you're about a foot. Go in. About to fall in. About to go in. Well, take a picture. Back up a little bit. Let's take a picture. Back up. We'll take a picture. You're off. The back tire is off the ground.
Yeah.
Come back a little bit. A little bit more. All right, right there. That's it. I say it's not. Yeah.
My Beamer in the snow, so he can get me to work it.
Yeah. You got it. Speed. There you go. Rock. Oh, oh, oh. There you go. You in first? Looks like it. All right, straighten up.
Let it walk. Let it walk. There you go. Keep walking.
Oh, did you just crawl right?